And I'm back. But don't expect me to say what I was saying last time. I'm changing the topics now. I've already had to erase 2 different YouTube streams. Turn to off one. They turn that on. With all due respect, I don't encourage people to look up what I was talking about in the last video stream. I'm not even sure if I can say those topics on Twitch anymore. If I get banned, though, so be it. I'm probably gonna erase the last VOD, though. Probably gonna erase the last Twitch VOD, though. I'm not sure what to do on this server right now. I'm unsure what to build. If memory serves me right, I went a bit farther out here to get to a certain location. I don't remember how far out it was, though. I know I'm partly near the area when I see icebergs. Oh, there they are. There's probably gonna be right over here. There was a village somewhere in this area. I would normally travel by the nether, but it takes time to get there. I think I'm awful close to the right area now, though. Here we are. I think this is it. We're getting close to it now. Although I'm near it, I see a beacon appear. Looks like it might be the area. A lot of this chunk terrain is new and old in the world. Some of this is old terrain, some of this is new terrain. It's a blend. Oh, there's the base right there. I built this thing a long time ago. You even have another base genetic spawn in this location. It's been upgraded quite a lot over the years on this location. I managed to kill quite a few villagers in the nether base with a stupid bed. And I've been trying to make them sleep on the world. I watched it on the click on the bed to activate the villagers, and it would blow them up and destroy the villager station. Despite being encased in bedrock, it would still destroy the action block, like the block I would use to interact with. Oh, I'm gonna show you something else. Notice anything different about these things? They're not taking damage in the normal way. These were not normal iron golems. They were a mob I added with a data pack to add spawner functionality. That's been made into a legit game now, though. If you see this, that is the original one I added. This is the one added by the game. But they were meant to add iron golems to spawners at a time when they were not able to be added to them. So now I'm gonna actually add an iron golem spawner and see if it works. Let's test it now, shall we? Oh, it does work. Thank God, now I got legit iron golems. See the difference? I thought I had a. Oh my, do you have a beacon out of nothing right over here? I think in one of these worlds they had a moth over here. Pale moth, maybe. I don't remember offhand. Well, here's more proof of the biome blending. Ah, shit, my headset came off. Yeah, I can't say what I'm about to say. Even with my Tourette syndrome saying it, I had to really focus myself on not say it. It would have gotten me banned on Twitch and YouTube if I had actually said that. I don't want to say that on Twitch and YouTube. But last very short, don't glorify Nazis. Don't know why I ever thought of that race. Memory sometimes make jokes about Nazis as in private, but don't say what I was about to say. I can't even say it. So you won't know. I need to know there was a. I can't even describe it, I think. Damn it. I don't want to be racist on Twitch. Or YouTube. I said or YouTube. I don't want to be racist on Twitch or YouTube. Not right. In fact, I don't want to be racist anywhere. And I'm gonna say a few things without actually saying the real words. But I have actually said the hard R in public a few times. But in those cases, if I was around a friend I knew who didn't really care if I said it. And it was always a joke I was talking about that was said by a black guy in the past. Just don't do what I did. I don't encourage using that word. Even the hard R is disrespectful in my opinion. I just can't say the actual word. But the guy in question was a black guy and I actually wanted to hear the jokes in question. I just cannot say them on Twitch. It would get me banned for sure. That friend didn't mind about the other black friend I'm with does mind. I try to avoid that at all costs with him. The other guy was a temporary support worker, who I didn't really care originally. He really knew I meant no harm with it. And I still don't mean harm with it. Just don't be racist in public. The jokes I was telling were, I think one of them was by Eddie Murphy, and that was about the founding fathers. I cannot say it because it has the hard R. And I really don't want to get banned off of Twitch. I don't want to say that word at all. If I don't even like describing it. I have no problem with black people, though. I have no problem with black people at all. But I don't even agree with the words that were said about them. Like those racist slurs, fuck them. Seriously, fuck them. Whoever thought of that word originally was a jackass. He made years, or he or she made years of generational racism. Heck, even my own uncle has quoted some racist things from the 50s. Like stuff that was said on fucking television. I can't even repeat that stuff. It was a product of its time, and that's all I can say, but it was definitely a product of its time. Then there was a Looney Tunes cartoon I found about shooting Native Americans, and the word that bugs used to describe them is now a racial slur. I can't even say it. Despite me being a partial Native American breed myself, I'm literally part Native American. I'm not sure why I said the word breed there. I don't remember my exact native percentage. In fact, I don't even think I know what it is offhand. It's anywhere from 25% to 12.5%. I'm not sure how much native blood I have in me. But I am but definitely a status Native American. Even though it's Canadian Indian status, technically. In my case, but I am a Native American. Well, Native North American, that is. Instead of a Native North American. So I would technically get a pass on the word, but I can't say it on Twitch. There are two words that would get a pass on, but I'm not going to say either of them. One of them is relating to alcohol, and the other one's relating to just the people in general. I'm not even going to link that audio. Though I will say this, without saying the actual word. I originally said, my father, his family, and a friend of his who was white used to play real cowboys and Native Americans. Like cowboys versus Native Americans, they used a pellet gun and a real bow and arrow. So many injuries. That makes the poor guy they would play with is still alive. Because that guy survived polio. That's all I can say about him. He did get arrested with my father years ago. I'm not going to say why. It was a dumb mistake they did. My dad got his record pardoned, but the friend of his did not. Poor guy. He hasn't even told me the full extent of what they used to do. It must have been pretty screwed up. One thing I do know is they used to drug wasp nests with freaking alcohol and tear them apart to look at the insides. So many stinging injuries. Dear God, why? Who the hell would destroy a wasp nest? I think I fought one once and lived to talk about it. I was sleep trancing at the time. And I had afterlife protection at the time. I only got stung once. I didn't realize what had happened until the next day. Oh, a butcher report. Hang on a moment while I get this asshole banned. And I think I need to log into freaking Twitch to do it. I think I actually need to log into Twitch to report him. Should have logged in to begin with. Yes. Let me just log in. Push the message is still there. Apparently is. Yeah, it is still there. Thank God. Let me just report this guy. And report. Spam bot, spam bots are tampering. User is an obvious or promoting obvious scam. Reported. Seriously, bot, fuck you. Let's see how fast this asshole gets banned. Let me just refresh the chat to get rid of their message in the window. Refresh. Oops, wrong button. Wrong button. This is what I want to refresh. I actually cleared the logs now. Let me just check my email and see if the asshole hasn't banned yet. God damn it. Forgot about this. one moment while I send my verification code so I can log in on Brave browser. Stay signed in. See what Twitch says about the asshole. Oh, the asshole has been banned. Bye bye, asshole. Serves you right, you got fucking banned. It's awful fast. It really does action on my reports fucking fast. Serves you right, you got fucking banned, asshole. I will never stop reporting those bots. I checked his channel, he definitely got banned. Throws you right. You lose your channel again. The Twitch AI is getting better and better at these boards. Let me just toast a message in the chat. Enjoy your ban, Clanker. Hated to see Clanker, but that was worth it. He is the fucking AI anyway. Hated to see that in chat, but now I'm getting tired of these bots. I would never normally respond in chat, but that was worth it. I hope this bot gets enough terms of service violations to have their account perm banned. Only reason I don't block them is so I can hopefully get their accounts terminated. Why? I mean, I just proceed to Minecraft awards? What the fuck? What the fuck? Let me see if I can pull up all the awards in my channel history. Browser awards. Redeem. Sign in. Sign up with Microsoft. Just gonna head out to the redeem. Redeem the code. What the fuck? Oh, that's the error. Try that again. Try it again. It'll work. Let's try it now. Yeah, I did. Yeah, I got my item now. Now I got the parch turkey. Didn't expect that. Did not expect that. Did not expect that. Oh, sure, it's unmuted. What method did I just get this time? Oh, that wasn't my inbox. I was this one. What with a confirmation order? Shit. Minecraft part shitty. As if the Minecraft part shitty. I won't be using it in game right now, but I don't even think I can use it in the version of the game. I think it's required to be in a newer version of the game, but no, I don't want to use fucking Leo AI and Brave browsers right now. It was well worth it to call that bot later, though. That's the only slur technically that ever occurred. I mean, that's not words. It's the only slur against bots that I'll approve of. It's against freaking bots. I think someone just came downstairs. I'm gonna get off stream for now. I'll see you later, everyone. I'm probably not gonna stream for a little bit of time, but I'll probably stream again soon. See you later.